Hey guys, this video is going to be very interesting. So, I am going to teach about a disease aspect which is nothing but fracture. Today I want to discuss about fracture disease aspect. So, let's start with the definition of a fracture. Fracture, it is nothing but it is a continuity breakage in the bone which is depend on the extent and its types. Fracture not only happen in a particular part of a body, it will be happen to your whole body depend upon your situation and as well as etiological factors. So in this video I will discuss about some causes as well as definitions and its types and patterns and included pathophysiology. So let's see what are the causes for fracture. So all of you know that the common cause of a fracture is direct blows. What happen? There will be a extra forces applied on your bone. Then your bone can't balance that force. So there will be a fracture of your bone. And crushing forces as well as sudden twisting motions. These sudden twisting motions you can see in small children's because there will be a not properly development of a bone in small children's. So if you directly move or twist the bone easily, there will be a breakage in a bone in small children's and there will be a extreme muscle contraction. So there will be a chance of a fracture. So other causes is accident, trauma or bone tumor or osteoporosis or calcium deficiency, especially vitamin D deficiency. During a fracture or severe accidents, road accidents due to the fall of from bike, you can see the severe fracture in emergency situations. And due to the osteoporosis also a condition where the bone will going to be weak and going to be fracture. So these are the causes of fracture. So now I want to discuss types of a fracture. So there will be a 5 types which is complete fracture, incomplete, closed, open and pathological fracture. So let's see one by one. The first one is complete fracture. So here we can see the image here. This is a complete fracture. Your bone entirely fracture more than 3 fragments. You can see the picture. It is a complete fracture. So next is incomplete fracture. As you can see in the picture, there will be a fracture. The bone is not fully separated. It is little bit joined to the another bone. You can see in a picture. It is incomplete fracture. So the next type is closed fracture. What happens in closed fracture? Your bone will fracture in your muscles only. It will not rupture your muscles and it will not come out from your muscles and skin. So you can see in picture there is a closed fracture picture. It is showing in a graph. Next is open fracture. So in open fracture what happen? When your bone will be break, it will come out from your skin. You can easily visible the bone from your open eye. So it is a open fracture. So next is pathological fracture. What happen? Due to the tumor or due to the osteoporosis condition, automatically your breakage of a bone due to the pathological condition. So when you need take a X-ray, there will be a fracture in your particular area or particular hand. So it is a types of a fracture. So today I have finished this video in types of a fracture. So if you are interested in our disease aspect condition, so if this video is very helpful for you guys, then you tell me in a comment section whether I want to continue or I want to stop this disease aspect, because I don't know it will be a good or not. Just I done for you guys for explanation about disease aspect.